Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming support and getting devices on the same network. This matters because mirroring uses local network bandwidth. Once powered, open your JVC settings and enable screen mirroring or the relevant input. Make sure Wi-Fi Direct is on if you're not using a router. You'll see the receiver waiting for a device. Now get your phone ready. Open its display/casting options so it can discover the JVC device and initiate the connection. On your phone, open Cast, Smart View, or Control Center screen mirroring. You do this because the phone must actively push its display. Select the JVC name as it appears. Once you tap it, accept the prompt on the TV if required. If a PIN appears, enter it on the phone. This secures the session. After connected, check aspect ratio and audio output in the TV menu, because mismatches can crop the image or route sound to the wrong device. To finish, stop casting from your phone or switch the TV input. This cleanly closes the session and prevents stray connections. For smoother playback, make sure heavy downloads are paused and, if possible, use a 5 GHz band. This reduces interference. If mirroring fails, restart both devices and check for JVC firmware updates. Doing so often fixes driver and compatibility issues. If you still get disconnects, toggle Wi-Fi Direct off and on. Then
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.